make something different today. I was looking through a book and they have these meatloaf pizza cups. I can do something like that, but I don't feel like meatloaf. So I thought back to, well, what is the most traditional meatloaf that we have every day? Gyros. So I'm going to make gyro cups. Okay, let's get started. First we have to make our little meatloaf. I'm going to use the mixer. And start off with 2 pounds of lamb meat. If you want to cut it half lamb, half beef, that probably would be traditional, but I'm going to use lamb. Again, 2 pounds. I'm going to throw in some onion. Now this is about a 1/4 cup, very finely diced. Got about a tablespoon of garlic, or about, say, 2 cloves worth, 2 good sized cloves. A little flavor. Yes, I've got some dried oregano. The fresh oregano at the store isn't looking too good, and unfortunately I don't have any in my garden right now. About the only thing that looks good in my garden is the rosemary, which I'm going to be using this week. I've got about a teaspoon of paprika also. One egg. Salt and pepper. Got to have some salt and pepper. I'm going to go with 3 good sized pinches. And as many grinds as I feel like grinding. There we go. You use the paddle attachment. And we'll get this mixing. Let's check the texture on this. And of course, why am I using the mixer? To make the texture a little bit finer. Texture is almost there, but I think it's a little too moist. So I'm going to dry it out just a little bit with, I'm going to dry it out with a little bit of oat flour. Maybe a tablespoon or so. Heaping. Another tablespoon will do. To make the cups, I'm going to use some muffin tins, but I've got to spray it down first. This is avocado oil. So now we just have to divide it up between these cups. Just going to be approximate, not going to really overly measure them. Next step is to press these down and then work them up the sides. I find the best way is to flatten them out just a little bit. And then press them in. Okay, there you have it. They're all full. Now we've got these cups. We might as well put something in the cups. Well, what goes better with a gyro than feta? So we'll break off a chunk of feta in there into each cup. These go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see. We just want to make sure that the lamb is cooked through. We're going to let them cool for a minute. Then we're going to pull them out and drain a little bit of the excess grease. Okay, let's finish these guys off. So, traditional with a gyro is a tzatziki, but we're not being traditional here. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put all the ingredients for a tzatziki in the cups. So, a little bit of Greek yogurt. Just a few extra onions. Wedge of cucumber. Squeeze a lemon. Watch out for the pits. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of dried dill. Again, the herbs didn't look good in the supermarket last night. And I'm okay with dried. I prefer fresh, but I'm okay with dry. All right, here we go. These are my Gyro Cups. Enjoy.